Is your resin turning cloudy or full of bubbles? Don't worry, every beginner makes these mistakes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, incorrect resin to hardener ratio. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions exactly. Mistake number 2, mixing too fast, 3 to 5 minutes. Mistake number 3, pouring resin too thick. This generates heat, causing cracks or ruined molds. Instead, pour in thin layers and let each layer cure properly. Mistake number 4, dust contamination. Always cover your resin while it cures. Resin cures best in a warm environment. Cold temperatures make it cloudy or sticky. Mistake number 5, wrong room temperature. Resin cures best in a warm environment. Cold temperatures can make it cloudy or sticky. Now you know the 5 biggest resin mistakes beginners make, and how to avoid every one of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy crafting!